We used to go out for various trips and all, like barbecue trip वगैरह हम लोग कर लेते थे, कॉलेज से ही निकल जाते थे, वीकेंड आया छुट्टी है कि निकले यार.
Very good evening. Myself Srishti Pandey.
And I'm Ambujraj Raj.
Today we have Arnav Khandekar sir with us. He is founder of Speak Daily, an online platform to help you improve our communication and public speaking skills by talking with experts online. He's also currently working as an associate software engineer in Laos Pride. So there's definitely a lot to learn from you, sir. So let's not just waste time and grab guidance from you as much as possible. So starting from our first question, what's your point of views on the importance of skills apart from academics for your juniors?
Actually, this is quite a nice question. First of all, because as you know that I worked at started my own journey from something that is not related directly to technical skills, but more from the soft skills perspective. So these are quite important because what happens, I'll tell you what happened really, the real incidents. So when I was going for my HR interview with Lowe's India, so I told there about my startup, and they were more interested in knowing about that because you see, technical skills people can learn, right? If you give them time and if you give them right resources, they can learn. But what is more important is when we work in teams. Let's say like our team is of 60 plus people right now, my whole department, and Lowe's India has in India more than 4,000 plus employees. So the what happens is you need to be very good team player, and that will happen if you have good communication skills, if you know how to speak properly, right? So these are the skills that you should focus more on, and these are the skills which companies also value. Like this happened to me while giving my HR interview, so he asked me a lot about it, and so that point helped me there. And as a advice to all the juniors, I would urge that if you are in your first, second year of college, then don't take tension of your what you can say grades and CGPA, but at the same time enjoy your life also. For us, like in first and second year, I used to go mainly from the second year. I used to go for a lot of business plan competition because that was a way to learn more about networking and entrepreneurship also. So when I went there, so automatically some skills like networking, talking with people, and all etc. got improved, and that helped me well in my career as well as in during interviews also with the companies.
That's a real answer. So my next question is, how did you manage your time between academics and skills?
So what I used to do is some like first to third year there wasn't much. Okay, so usually what happens is like for wherever these events or something, like in the terms of skill development, all at Triple IT, and best part is that you get a lot of what you can say is free time. So it wasn't that much hectic, but yeah, like on Sundays, Saturday, Sundays, on weekend, I used to go to various events for networking and also that also helped me a lot. And in first to third year, you don't have that much worry. Like from the third year it starts, but in first to second year, you may feel like you have very much, but if you like spend 1 hour daily with your academics and complete the backlog, most importantly, then you will have a plenty of free time and also participate in the college events too.
Yes.
So moving to our next question, how did you manage to get an internship, and what will you guide for juniors to how to approach for internship?
So my internship again, like it came from one of my connection. Like I met someone at an entrepreneurship event 2 years back, and while I was searching for my internship, I remembered that yes, he's also having a startup, like the company called Proco Hat, right? So I met his founder, and we became friends later. So that also helped, first of all. But second important thing was that we did various projects in terms of academic and others also. So those projects help you a lot. Like if you want to take away something, I would say that please focus more on your projects because that's what matters at the end. Even in my hiring journey, that was something that played a lot of importance in there. So yeah, like I showed the projects to him, and he was interested in that. Plus, we also had met, so networking effect also plays there. And then we did the what you can say, like we had a normal formal interview, and then that's how I got internship. So, like for the juniors, I would like to say this: focus more on the skills. Like if you are a UI UX designer, then you can maybe build up your website or show your skills in some of the other way. So people like that more. And second thing is, yes, you can use LinkedIn more. Please use LinkedIn. Like you can put your work out there, or if you have done something, if you have achieved something. So that helps to build a lot of credibility. Most of the people look there first to see that what is the background. And what most of the students I saw is, although the trend is quite changing, is that they don't bother much about their LinkedIn profile.
Yes.
Okay.
So try to have, like, you don't have to post daily or something, but try to be active on that, engage with others, or engage with people who are in your field, like the career which you want or the trajectory which you want to follow. Try to engage with those people more, because once they get to know you, they will introduce you to opportunities. Like from
Yes.
most of the from for me personally, I cannot say for everyone, but for me personally, be it my internship or my job, both of them were indirectly connected with the LinkedIn. So please spend some time and like follow the people you like, or follow the trajectory you like, and please post also. Like you can put something which you have learned. Many people do that. So at least people know that yes, if someone is there, then they can drop you an email also, that hey, we have this position, so would you like, or you may know about someone from someone, networking effect basically.
Yeah.
So they offer you positions also.
Thank you, sir. The next question which I would like to ask is, what will you say about your 4 years of journey at Triple IT Nagpur? Like, we are quite interested in knowing that.
So it was a nice one, like nothing out of the ordinary one. But yeah, like to be honest, very honest, like I wasn't in the one of the top CGPA category person. I'll say that very frankly, right? In first or second year, we used to travel a lot with my friends. Like we used to enjoy also, as well as go out for other events and also. So that actually helped me build some of the real life skills, right? At that time, we didn't know okay, this will play an important role, but slowly and steadily, now that I look back, I see that yes, lot of the dots connected, and I was able to land up all was leading up to this thing, all the experience which I had. So yeah, overall journey was quite nice. In first second year, we learned quite a lot, like from the foundations and all. And by the time you start reaching your final years, like third year and fourth year, you will find that you will have first of all, the subjects are less, so you will find that you will have more time to explore some of the other things. So like you asked in a quite a generic way, overall the journey was quite good in my college for me. But I'll focus on one thing most importantly. One thing that our college does is very good, is that first they make you do projects, okay, at the end of every year or in every subject. So please do them quite well, because they are something that will build your real life understanding as well as help you. Even when you go for a job interview or for an internship interview, they look mostly at what are the projects you are doing. Okay. And I can tell you for my whole batch, most of the interviews, be it in the technical round or in the HR round, HR, it will be related to something else, but predominantly in the technical round, they used to look at our projects and ask questions regarding that. So, doing projects is a great way you can boost your credibility as well as increase your chances. Okay. Many people who are doing projects, like you must have known about Aditya Sher and all. So,
Yes.
and Karthik Kinge, like he's quite an amazing guy. So he got his internships and his job based on the projects and startups he did, right? So they play quite an important role, and even companies, they look for projects. And second thing, just to add on, is that if you get a chance to participate in hackathons or something, right? Do participate in that, because for the job which I got it through a hackathon. Like Lowe's first conducted a hackathon where we had to build. Lowe's predominantly is a retail brand. For if you don't know, imagine Walmart, right? Biggest retailer. Lowe's is in the same category, but in more of the home improvement space, right? It is a US based company, US and Canada based, headquartered in USA. So what they did was they first conducted a hackathon, on a platform. I'll tell you the name of the platform also so that the listeners can be on that. The platform is called TechGig, TechGig. Okay. So they conducted a hackathon. Basically, a contest was organized where we had to develop like a solution, like a working software to solve a particular problem. So me and my friend, we both entered into the competition and we went through all these rounds. It was organized at a national level. So there were teams and there were multiple rounds, 3 to 4 rounds. And at the end round, at the final round, they liked the product, right? Whatever we have built as a software, I can call it as a software. So then they invited us for a technical interview. And after that, they liked our performance in the technical interview. And then further, we proceeded into HR and finally the job. So me and my friends hiring were in quite an unconventional way. We didn't go through any campus placement or something. We went through a competition, a hackathon basically. So my two advice would be to please go through various competitions like hackathon, especially because I'm seeing that most of, be it IBM or some or other giants, they are also hiring through hackathons, and TechGig provides some of the good hackathons. There are many platforms, but you can explore. And second one is focus on your projects. They help you a lot.
So as you said about hackathons, so we are in like first year right now. So should we take part in every hackathon that take because there are many hackathons that are
Yeah, yeah.
ongoing
Yes,
on
sir.
every 2 to 3 days. So should we take part in every or like selected ones only? Like right now we are in learning phase. So like if we are in learning web development and all, so should we take part just in every hackathons or just after completing a specific knowledge like completing JS completely, PHP completely, then should or start from now participating only?
So my advice would to you would be like, since you are just starting out in the first year, so please use this time to explore more, yeah, learn more, and maybe learn through various competitions or because that will build up your base, and then from second, third year maybe you can start participating. What hackathon does is basically it provides you a real life taste, real life flavor of what it is like, a part of what you are going to do. And you don't need to participate in all the hackathons that come in. Go only for selected few in which your area of interest lies, because what happens is the companies which are putting up these hackathons are doing it for the role that they are hiring for. Let's say if a hackathon is related to like making a storefront or an app for a store, the company which is putting that hackathon is essentially, the ulterior motive is to hire someone who can develop an app for their store or their shopping cart or basically anything. So there are different there are hackathons for UI UX designers also. So participate in ones which you are interested more, which you like basically. So that will increase your chances a lot.
Okay, sir. So moving to our next question. Like we are in first year and first year is about to end almost. So what should be an ideal roadmap for us for in the coming years of our college?
So like what we did was like through your first year and all, you get a little flavor of what you are inclined towards, right? So first of all, like have fun, huh? Have a lot of funs
So it's
because you
online.
yeah, I know. But because see, you don't have to worry too much, okay? If you worry too much, then also it won't do anything good, right? So instead, enjoy your time, but try to explore various areas which you like, okay? Like you may have your interest in someone like blockchain, someone like ethical hacking and all. So at nascent stage, like in the first year, it is very difficult to know. You seem to like, हाँ चलो ये भी करते वो भी करके देखते, so पहले try कर लो, सब कुछ try कर लो, फिर एक जो चूज किया है उसमें फिर सेकंड थर्ड ईयर से यू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग योर कोर कॉम्पिटेंस, ओके? उसमें लाइक यू स्टार्ट डूइंग वेरियस प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ऑल, एंड मेक योर पोर्टफोलियो, वॉट एवर इट बी, मेक योर स्ट्रॉन्ग स्किल सेट. बट फर्स्ट 2 years में प्लीज एक्सप्लोर अलॉट, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो कि जो फर्स्ट ईयर में पसंद आ रहा है वो शायद आगे पसंद ना आए, राइट? सो बी श्योर, and once you explore and have fun a lot, and then start working towards building it. But हाँ, धीरे धीरे build करते जाओ अपना पोर्टफोलियो, या फिर जो भी तुम्हारी इच्छा, जो भी इंटरेस्ट हो.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, my next question is, how did you manage to get a job, and any suggestions for juniors like us?
Wherever companies are hiring, most of them look for 7 CGPA तक ला लो, उसके ऊपर
Yeah.
they it is just a filtering criteria.
Okay.
Because if you know, like I'll tell you, at the time at which I was hired, the CGPA was up 7 and uski range में था. Okay, so it was not very 9 and 10 something. Okay, but yes, CGPA is like whenever you go ahead, CGPA is like a basic filter for them. Like let's say they will say कि हाँ 7 CGPA के ऊपर वाले आ जाओ, and then we'll conduct our own test. After that, there will be another interview. There will be, depending on the company, there will be 2 or 3 technical interviews also, and then an HR interview. Okay, so CGPA is just your basic filtering criteria. So make sure you manage before 7 के ऊपर कर लो, so that in case some future opportunities come, you are eligible for most of them. For I'll tell you, for Loves, like they conducted a recent hiring in the 4th year. So do you know what their criteria was for CGPA?
No, no, sir.
It was 6 and above only. So don't take too much pressure of CGPA, but don't take it too lightly, because first and second years may you have a lot of credits. You must know na what our
Yeah.
credit system is.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
lot of the weightage lies in the first and second year. So if you perform well, your base is quite high. So that in case in future if you dip also in the performance, your CGPA won't be affected much. Okay, but please try कि आप 7 या 7.5 के ऊपर रख लो, so that you are eligible for any activities. Okay.
Yeah.
What happens is, after you are eligible from the CGPA filtering, then the companies will take their own assessment, and there your academics won't work. What will matter is कि what you have put into. Like for हमारा कैसा था कि I told you earlier, like we participate in a hackathon. There were 3 rounds in the hackathon. One was just ideation phase, like what you build, what are you going to build, and like a very rough MVP, minimum viable product, something to demonstrate the concept. We were building something like internal store navigation. Since Lowe's stores in USAs are very big, okay, it's like 23 football fields combined. So for them, there was a problem. They're given 4 problems, okay, each having a different areas. हमको क्या करना था कि we have to just pick one problem statement and work to build something like a software or an app that will solve that problem. So that was the first phase. So we chose the problem. Second one was we kept developing. There were some mentoring rounds also, and in the final round we had to present whatever we have built and why our solution is good, along with the technologies which you have used. So our group predominantly used Python because it's easy and very user friendly and powerful also. After that, what happened was, based on the like this, we didn't know earlier that there was a job offer also. We thought it was just a nice hackathon, we'll win some prize. Actually pretty much everyone went for the prize. There was something in lakhs, there was prize, first, second, third. Okay, so everyone went for that only. And we thought ki, why not do something. So but at the end, at the final round, they invited all the people that they whose software they liked. Okay, like whatever we have built, they filtered out some people and they invited them for a technical round. So then there was a normal technical round. So then they invited us for a technical round. Okay, so in that they ask about what are the technologies you have worked in basically, and they took a look at our projects. Okay, and then they started asking questions from that, like whatever you have built. Let's say you have built anything, or they started asking questions specific to the project, like what you built, what were the problems you faced. What are they trying to assess basically is that whether you know your stuff, or have you just worked in a group project and done nothing. So that's what basically they wanted to check. And not every company has some form or the other. Some may ask you to write some piece of code also and show them, right? But majoritarily, like one thing that is constant is that all of them will ask you about your project. They want to know, because there is a huge gap when you what you learn theoretically and what you when you come to do it practically. So they wanted to test whether you have that real kind of experience or not. Okay, so do that thing. And so last stage was HR interview, where they asked us, where they basically like, मेरे वक्त तो कौन बनेगा करोड़पति खेला उन्होंने. So they asked questions like, they asked me situations, various situations. I don't remember because it happened when I was in third year, so it's quite a long back now. But they asked various questions and scenarios. The aim was to gauge how the personality of the person is, whether he will be a team player or not, whether he has the ability to think or not, right? So they ask you like various trick questions also, basically to gauge what you are. Okay. And after that, then phone came from the TNP office. Like we were nervous. Then they called, and the TNP officer said at 9 p.m. at night that you have been selected. So first I didn't believe him because there was no official communication. But later then they sent the offer letter and also that and okay, हाँ चलो हो गया अभी. So that was the whole process. What you will see conventionally is, I'll tell you one thing. What you see conventionally is keep companies coming to campus. Okay. But this trend is quite changing. Okay. So don't be fully dependent on your campus and college placement. Okay. Okay. And you may not get the kind of role you are looking for. And you may have to settle. Okay. दो सिनेरियो, या तो आपको जॉब मिल जाएगी, वो अगर कंपनी आती है तो अच्छा है और आपको मिल जाएगी, ठीक है. सेकंड सिनेरियो है कि कोई भी नहीं आ रहा और ना आपको जो चाहिए वो भी नहीं मिल रहा, like the kind of profile you are looking for, right? So start like exploring on your own. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि start using LinkedIn more as well as participating in various competitions and hackathon, so that you know कि हाँ जो जो मैंने किया है उसके बेसिस पे I have options open. So don't be dependent much on the college. That's my honest advice. And किसी को भी पूछ लोगे ना आप, हमारे seniors को भी same बोलेंगे. Because ultimately you have to do it. College won't do much. They can they can invite companies, but there's no guarantee. Like in the pandemic when first time came, so various companies didn't came because they thought कि हाँ चलो हो जाएगा तो फिर physical campus कर लेंगे, campus drive. But वो हुआ ही नहीं अभी तक. So majority, and what I'm observing is majority of the hiring from like the big campus, जैसे Google वगैरह जो है ना, so they are only visiting now a few IITs only. पहले वो जाते थे पूरे. Now they are also hiring through their internal challenges. So focus on these things. You will have much better chance of getting the role you desire. ठीक है? And don't be dependent on the college. Honest advice.
So moving to our next question, what made you attracted towards forming an online platform like Speak Daily for communication purpose?
Okay, so it has a small backstory. If you would like, I can share it with you.
So please.
So, like, I've been through various events of public speaking from childhood. So I didn't have many problems when giving a presentation or a speech. So one day, what happened was we were giving some kind of speech or something in our classroom, and one of my friend asked me that, "Will you teach me?" So at the time, I thought it was a joke and said, "Ha ha." But jokingly, I said that I'll take money from you, and he agreed. That time, I was surprised. Arey baap re. Like this got serious. So what I did was I wanted to just check like if people are willing to pay for like communication skills or not. Because what we see is कि basically ये सब offline में ज़्यादा होता है. Like there are various institutes who teach you all this, right? So I decided that let's first check this idea. So I put up a post on LinkedIn. Like I've I majorly am active on LinkedIn mostly, not on Facebook and so I put up a post there with a simple Google form and stating that hey, I am starting these classes, and who would be interested? And I thought that no one would come. And then when I slept off, I woke up earlier and the form had 30 responses. So I thought, wow, there is some interest. But validation of a startup idea is only when the people are willing to pay money from their pocket, right? So what I did was I designed just a 2 weeks course, basic course for beginners for 2 weeks. And at that time there was summer vacation going on, so I conducted the classes. I had a room from college, like I took a permission, had a room from college, and there I gathered some people, and we started our 2 weeks on 2 weeks batch for Speak Daily. It was offline only, and then people paid at the end of it. So that's when I realized that this is a problem that is worth solving. People are in need of it and they are willing to pay also. So these three were all the things which are required. Then I took one more batch after that to basically test ideas and see what problems arise. And after that, on 4th of April, we went online because at that time there was lockdown announced. So from that, we started like online classes. We take 10 to 15 people in a batch to ensure quality. But that's how everything else started. So it also started with a simple story. लाइक दो दोस्त बैठे थे, एक ने पूछा एंड आई रियलाइज कि चलो करके देखते क्या होता है. सो दैट्स द स्टोरी.
Nice.
Yes, it was nice to hear. So my last question is: any incident of a college which you would like to share with us?
Actually याद करना पड़ेगा because there were many and I don't know if I'm allowed to speak something like that. Mm.
So
Uh,
we would
but
love to hear.
no, but college में काफी चीजें थी. Like the thing is that we went for various trips. Like हम लोग दोस्त लोग, we went from various trips and we had a lot of adventure. Like हमारा ऐसा था. I know it's not directly of a college, but since it happened with the college, so I was telling that we used to go out for various trips and all. Like barbecue trip वगैरह हम लोग कर लेते थे and college से ही निकल जाते थे. Weekend आया, छुट्टी है कि निकले यहाँ से. So the thing is, focus on having fun also. Like don't get too much involved because कैसा होता है कि फिर your rest of the skills also suffer. आप लोग ये करके सीख तो लोगे, right? There is no doubt. कॉलेज में अच्छे लोग हैं, सिखा भी देंगे आपको. Best part about triple IT is कि यहाँ पे जो peer crowd है ना, the crowd of which you people belong to is quite good. Like there are मेरे टाइम पे like people are there who have having various interest. कोई ऐप बना रहा है, कोई सीख रहा है, कोई हैकिंग में है. So all of this motivates you, ना some level. कोई स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा है. So all of this आपका peer crowd काफी important होता है. And ट्रिपल आईटी की बेस्ट बात मुझे यही लगती है, सबसे अच्छी, कि that the peers you have are very good. Take your example only. That first year students are conducting all such activities. That shows something. We are here sitting on a Saturday, and you people are trying to do something. The Skill Nights community is quite good. I heard about it. So that shows कि आप लोगों के पास काफी resources अच्छे and peer to peer learning आपकी ज्यादा अच्छी है. From your seniors and juniors, you will learn a lot more. So make best advantage of that. And college में यार enjoy करो यार. But frankly telling, आपके फर्स्ट सेकंड ईयर तक आई नो कि टीचर्स वगैरह कुछ और बोलेंगे कि फोकस ऑन सीजीपीए, बट ठीक है, एक हद तक ठीक है वो. आफ्टर दैट यू नीड टू हैव फन आल्सो, राइट? बिकॉज हम लोगों के सीजीपी
Yes.
कुछ अच्छे नहीं थे. आई विल टेल यू समथिंग वेरी ऑनेस्टली. Our CGPAs are not that high if you look it from the conventional sense, but still we were the first ones who got placed. So because of our extracurricular activities, so take part and explore करो यार. बहुत बहुत कुछ है करने को. And have fun in college. And since हमारे तो 2 साल चले गए यार पैंडेमिक में, तो हम लोग को ज्यादा फन करते नहीं आया. From
I
when
was also going first year whole online.
First year it was.
अब तो ऐसा लगता है ये कब से हम कॉलेज में. यू सी कि हम लोग बैठे बैठे हमारा थर्ड ईयर कंप्लीट हो गया, फोर्थ ईयर कंप्लीट हो गया, हम लोग जॉब भी ज्वाइन कर ली, बीच में कॉलेज कहाँ गया पता ही नहीं चला.
Yes.
So yeah, I miss college a lot. Like we used to go on various trips and all. College से ही निकल जाते थे. And I don't know if I should say this, but कभी कभार ऐसे ही बंक करके भी निकल जाया करते थे हम लोग कॉलेज से. जब कोई चीजें बहुत बोर हो रही है तो हम बोलते थे मैम वी आर गोइंग फॉर सम इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क. डायरेक्टर सर ने बताया कुछ तो भी निकल जाते थे. स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग जब आपका अभिव्यक्ति और टेक तंत्र फिएस्टा रहता है ना, बहुत अच्छा एक्सक्यूज है. आपको अटेंडेंस भी मिलती है, आप वो लेके निकल जाओ. हाँ हाँ, लाइक आई डोंट नो, ये छोटा सा किस्सा है जो आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर्ड. लाइक आई वाज लेट फॉर एन लेक्चर. मैं ऑलमोस्ट एट द एंड में था उसके, तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि वही नए टीचर थे वो. शी जॉइंड अस न्यूली इन द सेकंड ईयर, सो शी वाज टेकिंग अटेंडेंस. ओके, अभी तक अटेंडेंस हमारे पहले होता था व्हेन यू एंटर अ क्लास, देन दे यूज्ड टू टेक अ अटेंडेंस. I entered when the period was over with my bag and all on. I straight away went to her table and said, "Ma'am, roll number ये मेरा रोल नंबर बताया." And she marked the attendance. पीछे सारे लोग हंस रहे, उसके पागल हो गए कि ये क्या कर दिया. Because period end हुआ, मैं तब घुसा कॉलेज के अंदर, उसके पीरियड के अंदर, and present ही लग गए. So that was fun incidents. ऐसे बहुत सारे थे बट अभी पूरे याद नहीं आए.
Yes, it was a quite funny one. So now we would like to wrap up this conversation.
Sure.
We really want to ask you more, but we have a limited time constraint. So it was very nice
Nice.
talking to you, sir. Thank you, sir,
Same
for
here.
giving your time. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye
All the
bye.
best, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
It was a really nice experience.
Same
Yes,
here.
that was very
And keep exploring. Have fun.
Yes, sir.
Don't
Yes,
just
sir.
put yourself in the books. Okay.
Yeah. For
Yes,
sure.
sir. Sure, sir.
Chalo, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.